Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shamvi, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you this really pretty soft feminine look for Valentine's Day. So I created a little bit different from the traditional pink looks, but I absolutely love how it turned out. So in case you guys are interested to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. So first let me start off with, styling my hair a little bit. I'm not going to do too much. I'm just going to like blow out my hair so it looks a little presentable. So whenever you're using any kind of heat onto your hair, always use a heat protection. It's very, very important. Do not skip on this. So I'm just going to coat a generous amount, all through my hair from my roots to my lens. Okay, guys. So then I'm going to section my hair and then I'm going to comb my hair a little bit to detangle. This is very important, especially if you have curly, frizzy hair. Next, I'm going to use this L'Oreal Dream Lens. So I'm just going to take like a coin size amount and apply all through my hair. This actually makes my blowout stay for the longest time. So once I've done that, I'm then going to section my hair from bottom to all the way up. And that's how I'm going to do my blow dry. So it's very easy this way. So today I'm actually using this iconic blow dryer. It's been such a long time since I've used a traditional blow dryer instead of my Dyson. So bear with me. And the round brush I'm using is from Dyson. And again, this is really nice. I've only used this brush throughout my hair. I'm just taking like random sections and I'm going to blow dry my hair like I think 6 to 7 times on each section to make my hair look a little straight. And for my bangs, again, I'm just going to go from bottom to up and I'm going to actually pull it up like that. So it gives like nice volume and fluff to my hair. And yeah, guys, that completes my blow dry. Again, it's not the best work, but I tried. And now I'm just going to put my hair back with the help of this claw clips that I got from Amazon. And then I'm going to start off with makeup. So first I'm using this NYX Plump Right Back Plumping Serum and I'm just going to take 2 pumps of this and apply all through my face. Now this one is really nice to hold your makeup in place, but other than that I did not find any plumping effect, but actually makes my makeup last for the longest time. So I really like it. So next I'm going to take the MAC Stroke Cream in Pink Light and I'm just going to apply this all throughout my face. It gives such a nice beautiful glow to my skin. So that's why I really like it. So for my foundation today, I'm using the Dior Forever Skin Glow Foundation. I recently got this and I am in love with this foundation. Such a beautiful foundation for dry skin. It hydrates my skin so well and it also gives such a beautiful glow. Absolutely love this. And if you have dry skin, I highly recommend this product. And then for my concealer, I'm using my Huda Beauty 4 Filter Concealer. Again, another one of my favorite concealers this year. I have used this back to back so many times. It's very lightweight on the skin. It has really good coverage, but also it looks very, very skin-like. Another favorite product of mine. So next for my powder, I'm using the Huda Beauty Easy Bake powder in banana bread. And I'm just going to bake my under eyes and I'm going to tap a little bit on my forehead just to set my makeup in place. So today I'm using this Anastasia Beverly Hills Nuve eyeshadow palette. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. This is the latest palette that I purchased and I was so excited to use this palette. So first I'm going to start off with the shade called as Liberty. And this is like a khaki green shade. So I'm just going to apply it on my outer corners and also in my crease, and I'm going to slowly build the shade. Next, I'm going to take the shade called as Metro. And this is a really pretty, like a peachy orange sort of a shade. Going to apply this in my crease as a transition and also like blend everything out. Then I'm using the shade called as Lily. Goes from pink to this, sage green shade. It's so pretty, absolutely stunning shade. And then I'm using the shade called as Muse, and I'm just going to intensify and deepen my outer corners a little bit with this shade. And I'm also going to apply the same shade on my lower lash line as well. Then I'm applying the same shade Lily on my lower lash line as well. Then next I'm using the shade Hope on the outer corners of my crease. So it just gives like a nice transition from pink to green. Lastly, I'm just going to blend everything out. And now I'm just going to remove that excess baking from my face. I definitely recommend you to, bake your under eyes before using this palette, or even better, do your eyes first, because this palette has a lot of fallout. So next I'm going to take the Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk eyeliner. Yeah, I'm just going to apply this on my lower lash line. As you all can see, it gives, such a beautiful effect. I mean, this is so different compared to your traditional black eyeliner, and it definitely makes a huge difference. I'm also going to apply this on my upper lash line as well. And look at that, you guys. It looks so pretty and different. I absolutely love how it turned out. And then I'm going to apply some mascara both on my upper and lower lashes. Just I also use some false lashes for this look, and this is definitely one of my favorite lashes from PAC. It's the Mink lashes in M72. And that completes my eye makeup look. I absolutely love how it turned out. And for my brows, I'm using the Huda Beauty eyebrow pencil. Yeah, I'm just going to lightly fill in my sparse areas. Then I'm using the NYX brow gel to keep my brow hair in place. And moving on to my face, I'm using the Rimmel Natural Bronzer, and this is in the shade Sun Kiss. It's such a pretty shade of bronzer for me. I absolutely love it. And of course, I love nose contouring, so that is a must for me. And for my blush today, I use this Rose Ink cream blush, and this in the shade Foxglove. It's such a pretty shade. Oh my god, I love it so much. Again, another shade that I've been obsessed with. It looks so damn gorgeous. So for my lips, I'm using the PAC lip pencil in the shade Coffee. This is a very pretty pink shade, and I'm just going to outline my lips. And for lipstick today, I'm using this Revlon lipstick. This is actually one of my oldest lipstick. I used to use this a lot in college. So next I'm using the Wet n Wild lip pencil in the shade Chestnut. It turned out to be a little more cool tone pink than my liking. So I'm just using this to warm it up a little bit. And lastly, I'm going to spray my face with the Smashbox Primer Water. That completes my makeup look. I absolutely love this look. It's so different from the traditional like pink looks for Valentine's Day, yet it's so soft and feminine. And yeah, guys, if you like today's video, then definitely take a moment to like this video, and also do subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell. And to all the beautiful souls watching, I love you guys so much, and always remember, self love is the most important thing. So before you love anyone or anything, always love yourself and treat yourself the best, and remember, you are number one. And yeah, guys, I'm gonna see you all next time. Mwah. Bye.